Yeah, hi friends. Yeah, in this demo, I will show you how to place orders on Zerodha account using our website. Okay, here I am using the manual order, but you can also place orders from using the Excel, Chartink, MT4, and Amibroker signal also. Okay, whenever the Amibroker signals are created, then we can use that signal. Okay, yeah, here I will place the NIFTY weekly expiry order. Okay, yeah. Once the order is executed, the telegram notification also you can receive. Okay, yeah. So now I, I am placing a stop loss order like a trigger pending. Okay, so the status is trigger pending. Okay, so now I am placing the order for one account only, but you can place orders for more than 100 accounts with just one click. Okay, yeah. Next, I will modify the stop loss order. Okay, from 22 to 30. Okay, yeah, yes, 30. Then I have update the stop loss order. Okay, then you can also check the notification, the telegram notification. Okay, then again will update that limit order. Okay, stop loss SL order to limit order. Okay, so the price also updated. Correct. Okay, and again I will back to update to stop loss order. Okay, 7 2. Okay, also the orders are updated. Correct. The limit order to SL order. The status is trigger pending. So this is the easiest way to manage trades across multiple accounts with just a one click. Okay. Once the buy order is executed, okay, you can see the orders are in live position. Okay. So now I will cancel my order. Okay, for this demo purpose. Okay, then it's moving to cancel order section. Yeah, cancel it. Then orders are moving to cancel order section. Okay. Yeah, yeah. In this video, I have show how to modify your orders. Okay, multiple accounts. Okay, in our upcoming videos, I will show how to see the live position, how to book a partial profits. Okay, and how to handle the risk management. Okay, yeah. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpfully, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Yeah, thank you.